Okay, so now that all the grades are entered, I want to explain to you how you are going to put the comments in for your students. So this is when you log into Blackbaud, this is the screen that you're going to get into. If you go to classes, you're going to click on first your core class. You're going to click on grading. Okay, as you notice, all of your grades are here except for the missing ones. And all you need to do is go to second semester comments and you click add. You type in the comment, and then you press save and close or save in next student or next student, but then you won't be able to save. And that's it. Then once you're done adding the comments, you're going to press review all, and then you are done. Same thing, you're going to go to honors. You're going to click on grading. Once again, you're going to go to each student. You're going to click on add, write your comment, either press save and close or save and next students.